All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to install apps from the Microsoft Store, how to remove those apps, because there's actually a couple of different ways that you can do it, and then also, in general, how you go about removing pretty much any app that you download and install from your computer through your Windows settings. So the first thing you want to do is pick whatever you want to download from the Microsoft Store. There's a lot of paid stuff in here, but there's also a lot of free stuff, and a lot of stuff gallivanting is semi-free because they want you to like get locked into a free trial and then start paying the money. So let's say, I think I saw iTunes in here. Let's say you need iTunes for your Apple product, and then you switch to either an Android, or you just move off of like your MP3 player to listening to your music on Spotify. So to download this stuff, all you have to do is click the Get button, and you may need to actually be logged into the Microsoft Store. Generally, with the way that Windows works now, you're always logged into your Microsoft account, regardless of what you do. So like your profile is up here, and you can go through all your settings. But once it's downloaded, it'll automatically install just through this interface. And then once it's done, you can click to open it. But what do you do if you don't want this anymore? Well, there's a couple of things that you can do here. One of them is that, oh, I guess you can't remove them from here anymore. One of the things that you can do is go down here. I was at the home section up here. You can go to downloads. And in here, you can check for updates for all of your software, and then you can automatically update things. Now, there used to be an option in older versions of the Microsoft Store, I want to say around Windows 8 time period, where you could just click on these three little buttons to uninstall stuff, but not anymore. Now you have to go to your Windows settings, and then inside of this settings panel, you just look up settings in the search bar at the bottom of the screen. You can then just go into apps and then installed apps. And if you know what you're looking for, you can literally just look up iTunes in order to find it. And then from here, you can click on the three little dots over here on the side, and you can go ahead and uninstall it. And that's basically how you uninstall pretty much everything from Windows. Occasionally you get a program whose install wizard will also uninstall the program for you. But in general, the safest and most surefire way to clean out your computer is to just go to the installed apps section here, and then go down the list of everything that's installed and find anything that you don't need anymore, you're not really using. Like, I know for a fact I haven't used this 4K video downloader since I needed to help a friend download stuff off of Twitch. So I can just remove that. And then the most it'll do is have a pop-up that you can't see right now that I'm giving permission to for admin permission, so that I can tell it that it can go ahead and finish uninstalling the software and then close. So that in a nutshell is how you go about going into the Microsoft Store or the Windows Store and uninstalling things that you downloaded and you don't want anymore. Because I really wish that they still had a button inside of the actual store page to still uninstall it, but you can just do that from your system's apps list of installed apps. So I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.